Ding! Hey all, welcome to my travel channel Walk the Trails. Today I'm going to take you around the Eagle Rock Loop.
Turn right.
So on our way to Athens Big Fork Trailhead, turn right at Goat.
Continue straight.
Google Map got us wrong and it took us through this road. It was closed due to flooding, so we had to go back towards the Sadie Lake Recreation Area, and before that recreation area make right, and that will take you to the starting point. We drove up to point A where we parked our car and started our hike from Athens Big Fork Trailhead. This is the southernmost starting point for this loop. We had to walk 1.5 mile until we get to the actual Eagle Rock Loop starting point, which is up right there by the creek on the top. This is the overall trail for day one that I hiked with these folks. We started our hiking from bottom left Athens Big Fork Trailhead and started hiking in the clockwise direction, going through Eagle Rock Vista, Leader Mountain, Briar Creek, all the way to Little Missouri River, and turn left toward the Little Missouri Falls. That's where we had our second camp. We had our first camp around Baylock Creek area, and we went on our third day through the Albert Spike. From Athens Big Fork Trail, we're doing easier trail. I'm the last one right now. Nobody behind me. So why don't you fill up a bigger bottle and...
I think this is better now. I got more than half.
That's good enough. We started at 2:30. This is our second major stop for water refill. Again, going clockwise direction. Some people decided to stay here. It's a beautiful place to spend a night. Actually, this is the first time I'm seeing green snake.
Oh, he got sexy, bro. Yeah, he's feeling vulnerable. Let's go.
Nice. So this is MSR Team Shady campsites here. So how far are we? You said 3 miles from Athens Big Fork Trail. So 3 miles from Athens Big Fork Trail, not bad, but it took us 3 hours. All right. Look at the man with the red hair. Destination Missouri Falls, 10 miles from now on. Oh boy.
Alright, second day on Eagle Rock.
See you at the bottom.
Alright, see you, man.
So here we are to the top of Athens Big Fork Trail. I mean, we are headed to the top, 5.4 mile to road 25. I mean, Eagle Loop Trail or Athens Big Fork Trail, always follow this white marking in this trees. It's not that bad. I don't think I need to take off my shoes. ग्राभलमा चाहिँ के भने त्यो चप्पल भन्दा नि खाली खुट्टै ठिक छ
Leader Mountain.
Oh, Leader Mountain.
Yeah. And we gotta climb 1, 2, 3, 4,
No shit.
three more mountains before we reach.
That's our campsite?
No, that's our before our lunch.
Okay.
Did you start yesterday?
Yeah, we started yesterday around like 3.
Okay.
Spent the night after one of the ridges and then we started again tomorrow.
Hey fella, what's up?
Where you guys camp?
We camped right after the first ridge near the creek.
Oh, okay. So you started from the trailhead.
We started at Little Missouri Falls.
Okay. Oh wow.
That's where we're camping tonight, right?
Yeah.
So you think we can make it there?
If you start now, yeah.
Okay.
You just gotta get over like 3 more ridges and then
Yeah.
you'll be fine.
Okay.
All right. All the best, bro.
Not a single drop of water.
Anyways, hey guys.
So this is our chicken Nepali style. So we have stopped here for lunch. Started our trail on May 24. This is the overall map of Eagle Rock Loop Trail. 27 plus 1.5 mile. We started somewhere down here without parking. We hiked about 1.5 mile. 1.5 mile, and this is where we started our trail, heading that way all the way to Gross Hip Mountain, and we camped somewhere about here. This is our first night camp. This was our first night camp. Then today we passed Leader Mountain, Drier Creek, McKinley Hurricane, and we are now right here. So we plan to hike another 4.1 miles. So we started at 9 a.m. here, and we are here right now, and the time is 3 p.m. We took 1 hour break, so that's 5 hours. And from here, our destination is Little Missouri Falls. We plan to camp here tonight. Hopefully we can do it in 2 hours. I believe this is a straight downhill, straight hiking, no more uphill battle. I'm down with it.
So that way, tomorrow morning we won't have any problem, you know? We'll still be in our goal. All you have to do is
After 6 hours of hiking, your feet starts to burn. So the best way is to cool them down in any cold water like this river. inside my camp now. 10 miles hike. Other folks are camping back there.
Okay. Cab the Jackson, come the Jackson, now the Jackson. It's 50 something more. What's your confession of this trip? Yeah. I paid the hill. Kids. Kids. Now it's local confession.
We are finally at Albert Pike viewpoint. There was some confusion on the way.
Yeah, there is no clear sign.
But
So
yet,
this is Albert Spike's view.
we found.
Kids enjoying little raft in the little Missouri River.
No bueno.
On top of Albert Spike.
Also there's some this all body में overkill भयो जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई
I really want to take a dip in that pool of water. Sunset time at Ouachita. I really enjoyed the trail. It was a great trip, great backpacking experience. It was short, 3 to 4 days. I enjoyed the filming process as well. You can watch my longer video of this trip, which is about 50 minutes. It's in this channel, Walk the Trail. And of course, never walk this late. Happy hiking, happy backpacking. Enjoy the trails. Thanks for watching.